Hey guys, another day, another vlog. Welcome to this week's vlog. It is currently like 5:15 at night, Monday. We have a big agenda to do tonight. I have to study. I have exams for my job that I have to take this week. I have to pack to go home tomorrow because, can you see that? You cannot. It's April 1st and there's a snowstorm. So I have to pack to go home so I can take my exams this week because where I'm from is closer to the exam area than where I currently live. So we're going home for the night. So I need to pack all that up. Then we're gonna eat dinner. We're gonna study, pack a little bit, and just hang out. I don't know what else. What was else? Oh, I need to empty my dishwasher and I need to water my plants. So that's on the list. But first off, I got another Smart Sweets order, and this one came with a little inflatable flamingo because it's tropical candy. So yay, I need to take pictures of this before I can bring it home to my mother, who eats the Smart Sweets candy because diabetes. But then I also got 2 pairs of sunglasses from Firmo. I do need to do a TikTok for this still, but here's pair number 1. I'm gonna break them. And here's pair number 2. The road is currently closed at work, like to get to work, so I have to take the back roads, and it's not in the mood today. Pair number 2. So yeah, all exciting stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat dinner quickly. I'm just having leftover Easter dinner, well, just ham for dinner, and then I'm going to, I think, study for a little bit. I do need to edit another YouTube video for next week because I don't have anything edited, so that needs to get done. But that might be a after I finish my exams problem, because I do work this weekend, so I will be here all weekend. So I might just push it to last minute, even though I don't like doing that, but I'm more stressed about studying for my exams. Even though I shouldn't be, I am. I don't think I'm going to study much tonight anyways. Maybe just look at the data again on like what I need to do. But yeah, that's about it there. So yeah. Oh, I also need to clean. I was going to clean my bathroom floor because I have ants, but they're still a little bad, so we're not going to do that right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I get to go home tomorrow. Yay, I wasn't even supposed to go home this week, so the fact I get to go home tomorrow, I'm so excited. But I do have to go to work after my exams on Wednesday, so I will still be working a little bit afterwards. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna eat dinner now, and we're gonna water my plants, study maybe just a little bit. We will be studying Tuesday night too, but study just a little bit. Pack some clothes to go home because I'll need an outfit for tomorrow and an outfit for Wednesday morning, and I don't know what else. Chill, hang out, we'll see. That's about it. I'm gonna eat now. I'll see you guys later. Hi, Kate. No, the battery's almost dead. No! I'm back home at work with Kate today. We have testing tomorrow. The battery's definitely. We got quick shirt for lunch after my test. That's about it. The battery's still flashing, so we're gonna try to get through this fast as possible. Okay, so I did my testing today. Camera, battery, we're fixed now. But I did my testing, then I had to work until like 4 today. So fun there. And then I watched Bridgerton for a little bit. Now I'm going to Green Bay to go hang out with Kate, my sister, because she's in town, kind of in town. I don't live in Green Bay. And I'm gonna go pick up Wingstop because if you know, you know. And we're gonna go sit in the TJ Maxx parking lot and eat Wingstop again. That's like our little thing now. So I'll see you guys later. The snow, literally, I hate snow. It's April and there's snow. I'll see you guys later. Dinner time. Look at, you're even in this wide angle. TikTok. Oh, it's always better when we're together. Oops.
We got Wingstop. Delish. Whoa, this is huge.
I don't think they knew what they were doing towards the end. Can I just put this up there? Thanks. I don't know what this is.
I don't know.
That's
mine.
What was that? It smells good.
The Korean barbecue one.
What is this?
Mine.
Here's the celery.
Lime.
They only gave us 3 ranches.
Yeah, I didn't order a large. I didn't eat them last time. Just put them back here. Okay.
Oh yeah, you didn't. I'll leave one in here though right now. I don't know what that is.
It's the garlic parmesan ones.
Okay. Oh, you got them winged this time?
Yeah. Oh, this one looks like a little baby chicken.
What happened there? Can you see? Okay. It's always better when we're together.
Delicious. Mukbang. Just kidding.
Look at your window already.
Oh, maybe I should turn my car on. Okay, bye.
We're gonna eat now. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's Thursday. It's currently 5:30, so I'm gonna be making dinner soon. But I just went grocery shopping to get some groceries because we're running low. And we're just gonna do a little haul. First, I got 2 things of the Kimade for Kate because Kate loves it and she wanted it, and we don't have it because it's sold out everywhere. Milk, because my milk went bad. Three weeks ago. I'm surprised it's not curded. I've had milk that's like cottage cheese. Gross. So that's gonna get dumped. Let's just do it right now. I also desperately need to go recycling out questions the other day. I got eggs because Baker and my eggs. I have 1 egg left and it expired a month ago, so we're getting rid of her. You are also probably expired, so that's both of these are getting tossed. Not that I couldn't eat the egg, I don't want to risk it. I'm not big on eggs anyways. I only eat them, only cook with them. More tater tots. My freezer is still full. I probably shouldn't have bought these. Oh shoot, these need to go to my car. One second. Again, more Alani's for my sister. We got 3 of the Arctic White because they're no longer available, and then 1 Dream Float. I don't know. She just told me to get those. Broccoli, mixed vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower. Oh, I have chopped broccoli. Why did I grab more? Whatever, it's fine. I'll still eat it. I have leftovers in here. I should probably still eat too. Oh my gosh, stop. Yes, I always miss you to stay. Now it's gonna be alright someday. And someday I can be to pizza crust because I'm really addicted to pickle pizza right now, and I wanted some pizza crust for it because otherwise all I have is tortillas. I don't really know where to put these though. In my pantry. They fit out here. They fit there. Yeah, maybe we'll make that this weekend. I don't know why I'm addicted to pickle. Pickle, weird. More pho noodles because I love them. You guys know. So strategizing you well, Prince. Such a shame. I went specifically for the Amy's mac and cheese bowls, and they did not have the ones I like, so we got the mac and cheese 3 cheese with cauliflower instead. They're a close second, but they're not like the other ones, if you know. Crap. This is chaotic. Well, I broke that container. It's fine, I got it. It's fine, it's not a big deal. What's in here? Oh, meat. So let's try it. There's not gonna fit there, so we're gonna have to put them here somewhere. Ah! We really need to eat the leftovers that are in here. I don't think I have much anymore. I think it's just... Stop! Like 2 things. I feel like I'm yelling like to my sisters, but I'm just yelling at my freezer. Goodbye, Mr. Perfectly Fine. You're not gonna fit there. Mr. Always at the right place. We just need to eat those noodles up. Okay. Freezer stocked and loaded. We cannot be buying any more frozen foods. Oh my gosh, this is so chaotic. Wow, I just got a paper cut. I also cut myself on my thumb today right there. Whatever. These are going home. These are for Laurel because Laurel doesn't want to make cheesecake or something. I don't know, but going for her. Then more Tylenol and I usually drink liquid IV every single day for work, but that's kind of expensive to be doing every... Oh, the paper cut. So I got the True Lemon Peach Lemonade and Propel Raspberry Lemonade. Yum. So those are for work. Now we're gonna load this back up with stuff that needs to go home. And I did not spend $200 this time, so I'm very proud of myself. And half the stuff, honestly, half the bill is Kate's Alani's. Okay, now I gotta go take my laundry out of the wash and put it in the dryer, and then cook up some dinner. That's the plan tonight. I'll see you guys. Okay, so I didn't really talk much yesterday, but can you guys see? Yeah, you can. I'm just watching Bridgerton. I got a dress at TJ Maxx on Wednesday when we went. I think I'm gonna wear it for Laurel's confirmation, but I gotta find an issue for the cleavage region. It's a long dress, but it fits good on me. Usually I can't wear long dresses because of my height, but it's just like this. She kind of see-through in the light. That's not a good sign, but yeah. And it has a little hole right here, so I gotta figure out the cleavage situation. But she cute. She needs to get hung up too. In other news, like I said yesterday, I really didn't do anything. Today's Friday. I had a really rough morning. Let's just say that. I called my mom crying because I accidentally ran over a deer this morning. The deer was already dead, but I ran it over. And there is deer hair still under my car. It's a touchy subject. I promise I'm a good driver, but that wasn't a great start to the morning, I'll say that. But then it turned around when my boss told me that I didn't need to work this weekend, even though I was going to work this weekend. Now I'm not, so yay there. I'm figuring out my weekend plans still. But now we're just chilling right now, watching Bridgerton for a little bit, and then figuring out what we're going to do tonight. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I don't know what's going on. Get back.